1. Bostitch Air Compressor Combo Kit. This air compressor combo kit drives 18 GA brad nails from 5/8 inch to 2 inch. Two. California Air Tools 8010. This air compressor is ideal for anyone working inside where noise is a major issue. Three. The Air 400P. It includes direct heavy-duty dual battery clamps with 40 amp inline fuse. 4. Metabo HPT. This compressor offers 25% greater PSI than a basic pancake compressor. 5. GXCS2 Portable PCP Air Compressor. This air compressor can be powered by the 12 volts car battery. 6. DEWALT Air Compressor Combo Kit. This compressor offers 2.6 SCFM delivered at 90 PSI pump, 6-gallon tank and 165 max PSI. 7. DEWALT Air Compressor for Trim. This compressor can be operated or stored in either the vertical or horizontal position. 8. California Air Tools CAT 4610AZ. It features ultra-quiet, only 60 decibels and oil-free pump for less maintenance and costs. 9. DEWALT D55151. This includes cast iron cylinder that enhances pump life and oil lubricated pump that improves durability. 10. California Air Tools 10020C-22060. This air compressor has 10-gallon air tank with wheels. For more detailed information, check the link below.